Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the ultimate strategy to strip away the robotic, sterile, telltale signs of machine generation and instantly humanize your artificial intelligence text. First, eradicate the predictable linguistic crutches like tapestry, delve, and testament, replacing them with casual, direct verbs. Next, vary your sentence lengths drastically. Machines write in monotone, uniform structures, so pair ultra-short, punchy sentences directly with longer, fluid ideas to create a natural human rhythm. Injecting personal anecdotes, subjective opinions, or slightly imperfect colloquial phrasing immediately shatters the sterile, overly formal academic tone. Finally, read your text aloud to catch awkward transitions, or run it through a specialized paraphrasing engine configured for casual delivery to ensure your final copy bypasses detection and genuinely connects with real human readers. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.